Look, man, I just woke up. It's early in the morning. Motherfuckers want to message me talking about a nigga broke. Man, you niggas got me straight fucked up, fam. I do this shit, nigga. I got shit to take care of, nigga. Shorties, nigga. Nephews, cousins, fuck you talking about. You saw the other videos, nigga. Chains, watches, every fucking thing, fam. You got me fucked up, fam. I used to fuck with you dudes. Nigga, we steady mobbing. I do this shit, nigga. This ain't for fucking play, nigga. What? Nigga, we'll send shots at you bitch ass niggas, fam. Serious shit, nigga. 6'4", you see the red shirt. Insane, nigga, on 5th Ward. Nigga, I ain't fucking around with you bitch ass niggas. You some lame ass niggas, fam. Nigga, that's it, that's all. Fresh out my sleep, you see the face, nigga, ass still wrinkled. Yeah.